Today student we read about what is trigonometric. Red part of trigono mean triangle and metry mean measure. In this video, the trigonometry means the measure of all parts of triangle. So we have to read about the what is the measure of triangle. So we take a triangle ABC. Opposite side of capital A, it is small a. Similarly, small b and small c in the opposite side of B and C, in the opposite side of angle B and C. So this is the triangle. In trigonometry, we mostly deal almost one triangle. So we find the angles A, B, C and the sides of triangles A, B, small b and small c. We have to find all this in trigonometry, and it is very easy to find these because we mostly use one triangle in trigonometry, which is very easy to find, but mostly students have problem in this. Mostly in trigonometry you use right triangle, which have 90 angle on this vertex. It is called right triangle, which has angle of 90 on that vertex. And so we have to find remaining two triangle angles. Let this angle is theta. We have to find this angle, which is called theta. It is known as theta, and the right side of the triangle, it is known as 90 angle. That's why this triangle is called right triangle, which is angle on that vertex. If in real life, if we want to find height of this tree, so we thought how we find this. If we know the distance between this, if we find the distance between this, so we make it easy to find the height. And if we know this angle, then if we know this angle and theta, we have to find height very easily. It is a very clear example of real life. So trigonometry is have very important role in our real life. If we find a height of mountain, so if we find this angle and the height of this, so we have to find the distance of this mountain very easily. So in our real life, trigonometry plays a very important role, and it is very important topic of